I learned how to read.
Cursive?
I know, and no, it's like it's.
Is it
straight
cursive?
right. Which is very helpful.
Because I know your mom likes writing cursive.
Her handwriting is really good. I feel like every mom's handwriting is so good. Like.
Good thing I can text
Did you
her.
read it?
She read
I
it.
did.
She read it.
We're all like,
Bruh.
Thank you.
Less this and that. Less this and that.
Stop saying that.
Ooh, money came out of it.
Wait, how much was that?
Oh, Rihanna's eyeballing your money.
She can do business.
$35.
Hey, do you owe Rihanna money?
No, she doesn't. More like I owe her.
Not anymore.
You gotta
But I
owe
can
me
still
money.
read cursive.
Oh, I still gotta pay you back.
Heh.
Let me pay your friend first, though.
Oh.
I can't write.
That's okay, I'll take it.
So, whenever you ask us stuff,
Huh?
we did it. But whenever you ask us about your music, you don't get it.
Well, because when I YouTube this video, it's gonna get copyrighted because of the soundtrack. So I'm just trying to.
hey,
Hold on, give me a second.
Save the best for last.
Whoa, who's
The
that
wrapping
from?
paper.
Who's that one from? Gary? Grandpa Gary. Oh my God, what's in it? What's in it?
Oh my gosh.
1987?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's
wow.
nice.
What is?
Why do I have a feeling?
How cute.
You're not gonna let me wear this.
No, I'm not.
Why
it's a
not?
mini skirt.
It's so cute.
Oh, it's for some leggings with it.
If she wore leggings underneath it, she'd be right in style.
Yeah.
I read something like that.
No,
But
You don't
it
have
might be a little big, but just let me know. So but I wasn't sure because.
Can you open up?
You
Can you open up the
sunburned.
sweater? I want to see it. It looks pretty cool.
No, you can't have it, Peter.
And she steals my stuff.
Oh my god.
That is nice.
what does that
It
say?
is nice.
What does that
And
say?
it matches your skirt, honey.
That was the whole thing. It was the whole Britney Spears look. We were going for.
Here.
All right, what do you say?
Happy birthday,
Happy
sweetheart.
birthday.
Do you like that purse?
Yeah.
You're like,
I really like the mini skirt. That was fun.
Are you sure you're not going to let me wear this?
Why are you recording
She said
me?
you could with.
You're being recorded right
with
now.
oh, yeah.
Oh, you're on camera. Well,
All right. Well, happy birthday, babe.
Wait. We're missing it.
Are you missing one? Was there another one in there? Who's that one from?
Oh my gosh, look at this card.
That is pretty.
Who's that from?
That's so pretty.
Grandpa
I'm
Gary.
gonna steal that from you.
Hey, Eden, it's not your birthday. It's not your birthday.
Oh, I
It's so pretty.
I'll get you.
if only I could write in cursive like that.
They don't really teach cursive that much, do they? Or at all?
No,
It's
but
cool.
they need to.
they were gonna teach us.
That's keeping
cursive
with
in
me
third
forever.
grade,
I
and
love
they didn't.
that.
I
They
mean,
need to, because when you get your driver's license out, they don't believe it's really a signature because it's printed.
Well,
Huh?
you
Oh
know,
no,
like,
my signature is an F and a weird line.
well, I mean, sooner or later, everything's gonna be.
Rihanna's got to sign stuff for
Digital.
some of her high school stuff, and
I mean, all your signatures are
it
done
says
online.
signature, and she has to print out her name.
Well, so, and then Cody got stopped one